Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secret channel. In this video, I want to talk about some of the important tasks that someone should follow in order to be successful in affiliate marketing business. So I'll cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin with freedomlifesecrets.com, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, email marketing, etc. If you're interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So coming to the today's topic, the number one point I would recommend you is content creation. And you may hear this a lot, but this is a very important step, and many people miss that actually when they start their online business. So because what happens, let's consider you are not creating content, you are just driving traffic to your, maybe using solo ads or paid ads, any other form of ads. You're just driving traffic to your affiliate offers. You may make sale 1 or 2 sales, but without content, like you're not gonna that business model is not gonna sustain for very long. And you always find like you always need of new customers all the time without content, and you need to search for new people. And again once that campaign is over, like you need to again create a new campaign, try new audience. Everything will come in picture like when you don't have a content. But with content, what happens, be it in any platform, like be it on YouTube, or you can create a blog post or any other platform. Like let's say you're creating content, what it does is, like, it will bring all the people to you and they start building that trust with you. And for example, you start producing content, like giving free things to people, like they start trusting you more. And once you have that audience within your business, and no matter whatever you sell, as long as you are going to sell something very good, so as long as whatever product you recommend that is actually solving their problem, they will come buy it from you. With content, what happens, like you will become like a magnet, and people will start, your audience will start building around that content. And once that audience is ready, you can sell anything. And that is how the big affiliate marketers, like I have been following many affiliate marketers who are very successful, who are also called as super affiliates. Like they follow, everybody will have their content. Even if you go and try to research someone who is already very successful, you can go ahead and check their page or profile. They obviously will have content, and that content will bring more people to them, and that's how they make most of the money. So this is very important step, that you go ahead and create content. If you are good at video, go for YouTube. If you are good at blogging, go for create a blog. And also you can create live videos on Instagram, or you can keep posting value posts in Instagram. And also you can add the same content in Facebook as well. You can create value posts on Facebook, create your Facebook groups. So start building your content on a daily basis, and that's how you're gonna get more audience, you're gonna increase your audience. That is number one step in task in affiliate marketing. The number two step is building your email list. So I have been speaking about email list in my past videos quite a lot, and this is one of the important step. Like if you're just starting out, like you want to grow your email list, because this is the asset that will be with you forever. And as long as you have your list, like let's say you are in January right now, and you generated about 1000 leads, that is emails, and by the end of the year, like you generated 10,000 emails. What happens with this list is like you start communicating with your email list, and again the trust will build. And because once anybody comes to that offer page, like he may buy or he may not buy. But what happens with email list is, like once you, instead of directly sending them to an offer page, you just collect their lead and then send to them to offer page. If they buy, well and good. If they don't buy, still you have their email address. You can always follow up with them, like by providing more value, by offering again. So with this, what happens, as your list is big, as you gain your trust with your list, that is also very important, you're gonna make a lot of money. Let's say by running paid ads and to build your list, like you're gonna have more than 10,000 to 100,000 list. Trust me guys, anybody with that size list of email list, like can easily make about 6 figures in online business. So if you are just starting out, if you're at any stage, if you're not building your list, start doing it from day one, guys. And this is one of the step. And the other step is start building trust with your email list. As you might have heard from many people, like the money lies in the email list. So, but also there is one more factor: the money does not lie in email list. The money lies in the kind of trust you have with your list. I believe in that factor, because some people, they will do is, once they get their email address, they start smashing with offers every single day, and the person who is receiving that email like get annoyed, and they won't buy anything from you guys. And you need to treat your list as people, because the whatever email you are sending, it is going to a person who is reading that email. So don't look the email list as some numbers. Treat them as the people. Like, let's say you write an email to your sister, your brother, your friend, so they are going to read the email. So in that way you should write that email, and it is going to some person. So please make sure you're not going to smash your email list with offers. What you can do is, for any let's say you're selling some product that your list is not aware of, what you can do is, in the first 4 to 5 emails you can provide more value that will actually pre-educate them, your list, with some of the about that product and how that product is going to solve their problem. And once you start communicating in this way to your list, in the first 4 to 5 emails, the person who is reading that email is going to start making connection with you, like start building, the trust will be much stronger. And once you make that offer, he won't have any hesitation in order to going ahead and making that purchase. And this is also one of the important step, creating that email and sending valuable emails to your list. So number one point is create content, so that way people come around you and you grow your audience much faster. And while they are with you, you're gonna collect their email address, because you don't want to lose out on the people who are coming to you. And the third step is, you're gonna keep providing value to your list and start building the trust. And once that trust is right, you're gonna provide a solution that you're gonna make that offer which actually is gonna solve their problem. And this is one of the important step. I would like to add one more step, that is, you can go ahead and add one more step, like you need to grow on building your email list, run paid ads to your landing page, or maybe you can just run your paid ads to your content that you're creating. What happens once people come to that content, they consume that content, again the relationship with your customer like becomes much stronger. They give you their email address and you start building that relationship with that email list. And once the chemistry is just right, you're gonna you're gonna offer them a product or solution that is actually gonna solve them. So if you do these things, if you do these tasks in affiliate marketing business, these are very simple. This is the major blueprint that any successful affiliate marketer does. And if you keep on doing this consistently, you're gonna make a lot of money. You're gonna build your brand or business in a very long run. And you don't want to be like creating content for the first 10 days and again start building your list, and okay, this is not working, I'm gonna go ahead and run paid ads to go to Facebook, and again, okay, that is not working, I want to try a different thing, affiliate marketing is not my thing. Don't do that. Just pick up your platform where you want to create content and focus on only one traffic source, one product, and start creating content around that particular topic. And if you do this on a consistent basis, you will see the massive results in your affiliate marketing business. I hope you got idea like what are the important steps. And if you need more help with your affiliate marketing business, or you're looking to, if you want to promote very recurring commission high ticket products where you need the education, what kind of how can I create content, like what actually step-by-step action plan if you need, I have link in the description where you can go ahead and check a program by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. This program name is Work with Sebastian, where he will actually, you get an opportunity to sell his marketing services to make very high ticket commission, and also it has recurring commission programs as well. In that module, he is also going to give you all the training that is required to be a successful affiliate, and also he's going to give you you're going to build your email list, and everything is covered in this platform, guys. Go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you got value from this video. See you on the next one. Thank you.